Welcome to the new future with DTEN and Zoom, where innovation powers your meeting experience. DTEN makes it easy to return to the office with award-winning solutions for every workspace. Large conference rooms, huddle spaces, in-office phone booths, and home offices. DTEN is the perfect solution for the hybrid work environment with true all-in-one devices. Simplify your meeting spaces and replace the need for external components and messy cables. DTEN devices set up in minutes. Just plug it in and it just works. Safely return to the office with DTEN and Zoom. Transform existing displays into a touch experience with DTEN Go and DTEN Mate. Use DTEN as your virtual receptionist to greet visitors. Start and manage meetings hands-free from your mobile device or voice commands. Leverage digital signage to share information throughout the office. DTEN's innovative technology drives powerful collaboration. Experience crystal clear audio and lifelike video. Increase participation and engagement. Easily share content. Illustrate your ideas using whiteboarding. And mark up documents and presentations in real time. Join a Microsoft Teams meeting directly from your DTEN device. Upgrade to true all-in-one devices for a modern, simplified meeting experience. DTEN and Zoom, innovating the new future together.